So the first thing is to go inside the HostGator and we'll go to the file manager and see what's happening inside. Now once we go inside HostGator, we have to go to the file manager on the dashboard or the cPanel. From there we'll see what the problem is. We'll make an FTP account and we'll try to download it. So let's go to the launch. Now we have to go to the file manager. Once we go inside the file manager, we can open the file and see the problem that is happening. So we'll start with QC Finance. Okay, now the virus has been injected in all the files. So let's open index.php. And I'm going to click on edit. I think I deleted it from here. So it did not get here again, but it's in everywhere. Let's go to WP admin. Let's go to last modified. Okay, it does not look like it's here. So the virus had left its strain on all these files where it was injecting a code. So this is the virus code. Now we can search this code in Google and it's going to tell us what is this about. So when we search this code in the Google, it gives us some result and that helps us find out what this problem is. You see how to remove this website got hacked, how to delete the script injected. So this script is injected in everywhere. We can follow any of these links, like this one that we can run on WPH. And there are different ways to remove it. We can find either one. I have different decided community. I discovered a folder with WP uploads folder with no extension. I discovered two PHP file WP config and this, and they also removed it. But the broader theme is, which we want to learn, is to download this code and run it online. So for that, I use this. So it's a little long project. It might take a few days when you do it the first time. But the idea is when you run this, you can import the new stuff. So I'm going to start MySQL server. Let's see if we can go inside. So this thing mimics how it has been, and a lot of time I have used this to like import and migrate and do all those kind of stuff. Once this is running, we can check the MySQL database on our end. So you see these databases are of the WordPress website that are running locally. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's at some other place, but let's see. Let's see. Okay. So this is how we would do that, and to remove these files we have to write a code that's going to remove it and save it, and whichever is the culprit which we can Google from here, we can delete those folders. So somebody, like I write here, somebody told me that first go to and run this one. Okay, injected on the tables and then using Node++, it removes. So these are few things. Let's Let's find out a few more website and then we'll run the command. We can run that command on MySQL. So before that, so this was the FTP part. Let me take you to my PHP admin. So this is the my PHP admin of the website. This is the similar one. I opened it on our end using XM. So let's see if we have. Okay, one of these is related to the QC Finance one. To find out which one, we have to go to WP options and we can find that out. So let's see if I can take you there. And I would recommend you that whenever you make some breakthrough, make some videos out of it. Okay, somewhere here, I think it's this file. Here somewhere it points to the database that it is using. Control F, user, no. No, not here. I thought that it is an WP set. No, it's WP config. Sorry. Where is config? Okay. So this is the DB password and this is WordPress P2. WRDP2. That's the database. So this is the database that we are talking about. We can import it and then we can install it online. So format is SQL. Okay, go. So this is the WordPress. This is the database that we want to import, and then we will try to clean it. But even before that, let's see uh, how it has injected stuff into our post. So let's see what these guys are telling, and then we'll try to mimic them. So we have to look at some of these guys, and then we have to do the changes locally. So the important thing is to download this and make the website work. Now, I have downloaded the database. I'm going to import it locally, and let's see if we can do that. So this is the local one. Beside that, we have to also download the website using FTP and try to run the same. So let's see if import is working. If it does not work, then oh, God, update the following file php ini. Okay. So you can find these out. This would not be a botheration. Let me try one thing before I do something else. This has worked for me the last few times where I have tried to move the zip in. The table structure, no database selected. Some problem with the export. Let's try this again. Export custom. Add drop. This is the one that I used to do. Export manager. Let me try that and then we can look at the errors. But this was some small tricks that I used to do. I forgot. So I'm creating the second zip. So the broad idea is we have to import this and make it run locally. And once we fix the site locally, then we can fix it online. Drop table, no database selected. What is that? Oh, no database selected. Okay. Test database test. Okay, I'm putting it in the test. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, import was successful. We have all the things here. Why is it only WP post? I thought that it's going to export everything. Let's see. But anyways, this is the idea that we import it and then we run it and then we change the config file. So when you download all of this, you have to change the config file here and you have to give the username and password of this XAMPP and then run it locally. And then we can clean it, run it locally and then upload it. I'm going, let me know if you can do this and then if not, then we'll do it together.